Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In the video today, I will be showing you how to do two really useful functions in Excel. One is averages and the other is the transpose function, which is converting text or numbers that are in a column to a row. So let's start by opening Excel. We have some data here that we've put into a column. Data is ranging from 10 to 100. If we want to average this, there is a very simple process for doing this. We click on the box where we want our average result to be and type equals average bracket and then select the range of numbers that you want to find the average for. In this case, we're doing 10 to 100. So we click and hold to drag down, release, close bracket, and hit enter. That will give us the average number for this set of numbers here. Averages work in the same way, whether the numbers are in a column or in a row. We'll use the transpose function to take these numbers from a column to a row. Start by selecting the group of numbers by clicking and dragging to highlight them, and click Copy. Now click the cell where you want the numbers to start. In this case, I'm choosing C1. That means that 10 will end up here, 20, 30, 40, etc. Click on the arrow underneath the paste function. Move your mouse over to this icon, which says Transpose. You'll see it gives you a preview of how the numbers will appear. Click there, and now your numbers are transposed into a row. This would work for any data, including text. If we now want to do the average function, the principle is exactly the same. We can click in any cell whatsoever, but we're going to click here just to the right of the numbers, and we type equals average bracket, select the numbers, this time selecting the row, close bracket.
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.